a physio that is reasonable. Tí ò wọ́n jù, tó lè máa bá wa tọ́jú wọn. So please, anybody that can be humanitarian with us, tí ò ní wà too much, you understand, because of the bill we already have. So I fẹ́ come to our aid. But ẹ bá wa kí mommy, sister mi tá jọ ṣe life ni. And this is this is the sister.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Assist. See, this is my sweetheart. All right, ice cream and chicken for me. One more, I will tell you go. So, brother, so, mommy will.
Ìyàwó yìí máa ń bí mẹ́fà ló wà níbà. Wọ́n tún fẹ́ bí ìkejì kẹjọ.
So she's talking now, she's better. Mama's better, oh.
Thank God.
We thank God, but we are still taking care of her. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ara wọn máa yá dáadáa jù báyìí lọ. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, àní fojú sunkún wọn báyìí. Wọ́n á tún jẹun wájú báyìí lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run. So owó para, this is para's money. Owó tí office account para.
Okay.
Lele.
Okay.
We are still expecting. This is para's money. Owó tá gbà lọ́dọ̀ para. We are putting it here. The money is not yet enough. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, whatever we can still support with, our account details ó wà níbẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má bínú, ẹ má no sun yín nítorí Ọlọ́run. Sherry, it's better we ask like this for people to support and help us. Ju pé kán wá kú, ká máa ṣe artist night, ká máa celebrate wọn, ká máa dáwó jọ fún àwọn ọmọ wọn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, we can still do more. I know people have tried. Amen. God will heal her. So whatever you can do, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, wọ́n máa discharge wọn lénìí. But while they are discharging her, a physio has to still come and take care of her. Wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Àmọ́ ń sìn wọ́n ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa. Wọ́n ti ń crack joke gan pẹ̀lú mi. Wọ́n ti crack joke pẹ̀lú wa ń sìn. Wọ́n ti bá àtọ́lì náà sọ̀rọ̀. So wọ́n ti bá àtọ́lì náà sọ̀rọ̀. We can still do more. Please, God will help us. Amen. Send directly to her account that is there. We still need more money, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ wa ò ní sún yín, ọ̀rọ̀ yín náà ò ní sún Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please see what you can do to help her get back on her feet, please. And people that have been supporting Atoli, I sent a video on him today too. So please, Emma Binu, 100 naira, 500, 1,000 naira is not too small. It's the thought behind it that matters. Her account details, I'll send her account details under this video as well. So this is Mama is getting better. She's getting football, I should say. Please, whatever you can do, we really appreciate it. Please, I'll still be back. I will still do more live, but I just needed to do this, you understand, because of integrity's sake. I had to come all the way to bring the money here. So whatever you can still do to support her, you have our account details. God will bless you. And back to Okomi. I love Okomi. Ìyàwó dúró ọkọ jókòó ẹjọ́ bá ẹgbà mi. Báwo ni ìyàwó ṣe máa dúró tọkọ máa jókòó? Báwo kí àwọn ará lé kẹ̀dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Kẹ̀dẹ̀
ẹnu ọpẹ́ wa kò ní kan fún yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Gbogbo ibi tí ẹ̀yin náà jáwé bí tẹ́ ọ̀tá gbòde, Ọlọ́run ní fi ìbànújẹ́ síbẹ̀ ni. Ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ o, wọ́n jíṣẹ́ yín ní gbogbo ìgbà gbogbo káàkiri, àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. Ẹ ní fi ìbànújẹ́ gbà o. Ẹ ṣé gan, thank you very much. Àdúpẹ́ o.
So, mommy, kò tó yàn o, àmọ́ eléyìí tó ti ṣe fún wa yìí, òun rèé o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣé o.
nínú rẹ lọ́mọ nàìjíríà mi ẹ ṣé o.
Thank you.
inú mi dùn pé láti nàìjíríà mo ti wá o. inú mi dùn sí láti
So, Joe,
orílẹ̀-èdè mi.
please,
inú mi dùn pé
please just see what
orílẹ̀-èdè
you
mi ti
can,
jáde orílẹ̀-èdè wọn
what you
máa ń
can
gbà
do
yìí.
for her, please, Joe.
ẹ ṣé o.
At Bill wa ní hospital nsìn, òun la fẹ́ query. I'm a query it to the last thing. We have to query it because it's not like we have so much money, and so we have to query it. I'm about one far. So, and if there's if there's anything you feel that you can do to support her, please do as much. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ má jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ wa sùn yín, please, please. It's just help us with whatever you can. Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. I'll still go live later. Thank you, and we'll continue forward.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.